Most business programs give you 25% of the solution. Here's what 100% looks like. You're a 7 or 8-figure business owner and you're stuck, plateaued, revenue, trapped as the bottleneck, burned out and unhealthy. Here's what you need to understand. Your biggest constraint isn't strategy. It's not market conditions. It's not your ability to scale. It's your personal capacity. Health caps your energy. Poor mindset sabotages your strategy. And if you're the bottleneck, your business will never scale beyond you. That's the problem. And here is the solution. The 4-pillar integration system. The Valentum Nexus is built on one simple truth. The CEO is the product of all 4 pillars. Pillar number 1, health. Your vitality, your energy, your physical capacity. Because if you can't sustain energy or move without pain, nothing else works. Pillar 2, mindset. Your mental toughness, your clarity, your leadership. Because poor mindset sabotages every strategy you implement. Pillar 3, business. Building a scalable enterprise that runs without you because you're the bottleneck. You don't have a business. You have an expensive job. Pillar 4, wealth. Generational wealth creation, not just quarterly profits, because what's the point of building something if it doesn't create lasting freedom? These pillars aren't separate. They're irrevocably linked. Most programs focus on just one pillar, just business tactics, or just mindset, or just some health coaching. And that's why they don't work. Because you can't optimize one pillar in isolation and expect exponential results. Poor health caps your capacity, so your business strategies don't work. Poor mindset sabotages your execution, so your tactics fail. And poor systems trap you as the bottleneck, so you can't scale. The Nexus integrates all 4 simultaneously. We optimize your health, your mindset first, so you have the capacity to execute. Then we build systems, so your business runs without you. And we create a wealth strategy that builds generational value, not just quarterly profits. That is integration. When you integrate, you optimize all 4 pillars at once. And that's when exponential results happen. Here's what happens if you don't solve this. You stay stuck as the bottleneck. You keep waking up at 3 a.m. feeling shame. You keep sacrificing your health for your business. And a year from now, you're in the same place, or worse. Here's what's possible if you integrate. You wake up rested. Your body doesn't ache. Your business runs without you. You're building generational wealth. You're present with your family. That's the difference. If you want to see this system in action, real results, real transformation, watch video 4. It's a full case study of a client who went from $2 million to 3.8 million turnover while losing 10 kilograms and reclaiming his freedom. DM me the word framework if you want the full breakdown, or just keep watching. This is how integration works.